click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the notification of every video I upload.
Hello friends, this is Hydrating Christian. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Cortana on any Android device. So let's watch. So first of all, open the file manager, then go to the downloaded app and then click on it. Now install it.
A few moments later.
Here the app is installed. Now open it. Click on sign it if you want to add your Microsoft account, otherwise skip it. Give permission to record audio to Cortana. And now your artificial personal assistant is ready. You can use it also as a browser in which your search engine will be Bing. So thanks for watching video. I hope you will like the video. So subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Peace out.